In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in a really silly way. How come you're like, maybe you could be drawing a Sprunky character. I don't know what else to do, but I like Sprunky so much I'll just do that as my demonstration. Imagine you're just drawing a Sprunky thing, and then you're like drawing his ear, and like on a certain frame, you want his ear to like tilt. Look at the head. It's like going through the ear. Like I can circle that. So that's why we use layers. Sorry, it lags very bad. So why we use layers? It's so whenever you're drawing, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just so when you're drawing, it doesn't overlap all the time. So you go over here, draw a new layer. You can name it too if you just tap right here. But then you can draw your ear. And if you want to tilt it at a certain frame, you circle it and tilt. As easy as that. That's why we use frames. Actually, layers. So that's how I'm going to make it in my new video that I might post later. Bye. Oh, wait. And one more thing. Did you know you can make 3 layers? I'm going to make another one for this ear. So now, the only thing you can erase in this image is his ears. Now you understand? And then if you go to this frame, it's just a circle. So only the circle you can erase. Frame 2, those ears. You get it.